Hello, my name is Mr. Codilla, and today I'm going to show you how to use a safety compass. It has three parts. It has this orange radio arm part here, it has a rotator right here, and it has a little metal part right there. You want to make sure that you can read the word safety compass and it's not backwards. If it is backwards, that means you have the compass upside down. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to practice with my rotator right here. It's got some circles already punched out there. You could just simply trace those and get some circles. You could also use these little pinholes right here, and when you put your pencil inside this pinhole and rotate it around, you get circles as well. You want to make sure that you are using a sharp pencil for these little pinholes, or this compass will be much more difficult to use. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this little pinhole right here. Now, what I like to do is wherever I'm going to make a circle, I'm going to put a little dot right there, so I can always remember where I put my pinhole. Then I'm going to hold this metal part down right here. Then I'm going to choose a little hole along the radial arm. Place my pencil inside there. Then I'll rotate this around the whole compass. Now notice, this hand moves, but this hand does not. And I still need to draw this part down here of my circle. So I'm going to move the palm of my hand, but I'm going to keep my pinpoint and my index finger in the same place. Just like that. Choose my hole again. Come back over. Finish my circle. Just like that. You also want to be careful to not accidentally go off the edge of your paper, unless that's what you really want. Let me go ahead and get a new piece of paper here and show you what I mean. So you need to draw a big circle right in the middle of this paper. You're going to draw your little pinpoint here, just like that. Put your index finger here. Now some people make the mistake and they say, I'm going to choose one of these dots right out here, and then they end up going right off the edge of your paper. Now if that's not what you want to do, I highly recommend that you kind of choose a hole and then kind of practice with your finger and see where that hole will lead you. Like right here I'm looking at, if I put it at 3, it gets close to that edge but doesn't go up the edge of my paper. Touch my hand, again I move my palm but not my fingertip, finish my circle, just like that.